Repairing Our Divided Nation. A book filled with history lessons that can be used to solve the racial and political divisions that are tearing apart our country and threatening our future. If we are to create the more perfect union our founders envisioned, these lessons, including summaries of Supreme Court cases from the 1800s that continue to negatively impact society today, should be required reading for all Americans. Dave Ellison's desires to help create a better world for all, no matter one's color or political persuasion. If this is also your desire, this audiobook is a must-listen. Repairing Our Divided Nation by Dave Ellison. Audiobook. Produced by eAudio Productions. Available on your favorite audiobook platform.